Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a domain and hosting so you can act fast. Once purchased, install WordPress with the host's one-click tool and enable SSL. Next, set pretty permalinks and add your site title and tagline. Make sure to choose a lightweight theme that supports the block editor. This saves time and performance headaches later. Finally, create an admin account and test login. If you can't log in, recheck credentials and hosting confirmation before moving on. Once WordPress is live, install essential plugins: SEO for visibility, cache for speed, security, and daily backups for safety. Then create core pages: about, contact, privacy, and set up your primary navigation so visitors find content instantly. Set categories and tags that match your niche and build a simple editorial calendar to ship content consistently. Make sure images are optimized and use descriptive file names. If a plugin conflicts, deactivate the last installed plugin and test again to isolate the issue. You're ready to publish. Launch with 3 strong posts that interlink and include clear calls to action. Once published, connect Google Analytics and Search Console and set up a basic email capture form so you collect readers. Promote posts on 1 or 2 social channels and repurpose excerpts for quick shares. Monitor performance and adjust titles or meta descriptions for click improvement. If the site goes down, first check DNS propagation and host status, then disable caching and recent plugins to troubleshoot plugin conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.